Today in math, we're going to be doing some fun stuff comparing numbers. So watch this video to find out a little bit more about what it means to compare numbers.
Hello, boys and girls. We're at the racetrack, ready to compare some numbers. Let's see which cars participate in the race today and which numbers we are going to compare. You already know about place value and can compare numbers using base 10 blocks. Now, I'll help you find numbers that are greater than or less than other numbers. On another car with a new number, is that number greater than 25? Well, first we can look at the largest place, which are the numbers on the far left. They're the same. They're both 2. That's okay. If the tens place is the same, then we can just compare the ones place. See? We can compare using place value. I can hear some cars getting ready to race. Let's compare their numbers. Do you remember where we start when we compare? They both have 4s and 5s in their number. But the one with the 5 in the tens place has a greater value. That's why we should always start at the left with the largest place. 54 is greater than 45. That also means that 45 is less than 54. Do you see another number that is less than 54? Yes, 25 is less than 54. It's less than 45 too, because number 25 only has a 2 in the tens place.
So today we are going to compare numbers. What does that mean? Well, you're going to hear some terms like greater than, which means a number is more than something else. You'll also hear less than, which means a number is less than or smaller than another number, or you'll hear equal to, which means that number is the same amount as the other number. So we're going to, all right, as you can see, there are some numbers here. We've got 5 and 8. I'm going to pull up 5 on a 10 frame and 8 on a 10 frame. Look below, I have my number line. I'm going to circle 5 and circle 8. So 8 on a number line would be further down the number line, so that means it's bigger. 8 has more dots filled in, so that also means it's bigger.
Today, let's work through compare in the air. And Ms. Chapman will go through some slides here, and we'll try to figure out if they are less than or greater than. So I have a number here. I have to figure out, is this number less than this number, or is this number greater than this number? So let me go ahead and count out how many I have here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just like that video earlier, I have 2 full 10 frames. So that means I have 27. Over here, I have 20. So I have the same amount of 10s and 1. 27 and 21. So which one has more of the 10 frame filled up? That's right. This would be the box that has more of the 10 frame. And I would type in 27, and over here I'm going to type in 21. And then I'm going to say that 27, I would want to eat that if that were cookies, right? So 27 is, and I'm going to put greater than 21. Let's try another one here. This time we have some birdies. So you can kind of see that they're in a 10 frame right there. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here I have 11. And over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh man, which one is bigger? If you're at home with your number lines, you could pull those out and see which one is further on the number line. And if you saw that, you would see that 12 is 1 more past 11. So 11 is not greater than 12. I want to eat 12. I want to eat that one. So 11 is less than, it's smaller than 12. All right, let's try another one. We're going to try just numbers. So this would be good if you have your hundreds chart or a number line to look at the numbers 40 and 36. On a hundreds chart, you should see that 36 is just a few numbers behind 40. Because if I count from 36, I can get to 40. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 36, and you can see in the 10 spot here that the 3 is smaller than the 4. So it is a smaller number. So 40 is bigger. We want to say 40 is greater than 36. So we'll have some activities to practice, and your activities are going to be called the comparison pond, where you actually will have a number line to look at. So you'll have the numbers here, 23 or 11. So remember, whichever one is further down the line is bigger. So 23 would be here, 11 is here. So we want to say 23. You always read it like you read a book, go across. 23 is greater than 11. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, no, because I pulled up less than, silly Miss Chapman. All right, greater than. Here we go. There, Miss Chapman got it that time. Let's do one more. Oh, 14 and 14 on the lily pads. So I would put 2 on 14 here. Which one does that mean? That means they are equal to. Good work. So your activity is going to look the same as this one.